Hi everyone, it's Artis, welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll be reviewing this DeWalt Brushless DCD803 drill, combination drill. So before we go into the video, I would like to thank sponsors of this video, which is Sterling Power Tools and Fixings. What I wanted to ask, if you could comment below whether you'll be interested if I could get hands on a newer tools and do like an overview video of the tool itself. I know it's slightly annoying that we cannot use it, but that way I can get my hands on the newer tools, because they cost more money, they're new in the market, and yeah, not everyone is able to give us to actually use it, unfortunately. So please comment below and let me know what you think. If you think it's a good idea, put thumbs up maybe. If you think it's not a good idea, also comment. It's kind of, in my opinion, it's like a preview of the car which is not released, or preview of something which hasn't been released, where you actually can't use it but you can talk about it. So this is what I could offer for you guys, because that way we can get hands on the newest stuff available from, you know, various manufacturers. That's what I thought. I'll run through this in this intro, and we'll just go into our usual where I'm gonna talk about a tool. I'll show you what's there, what's new, and yeah, hope you're gonna enjoy it, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. So today what we have here is DeWalt's quite new tool. So it's a DCD803 tool here itself. You'll notice this is where the exchangeable bits come in play. So that's their own system, new system. So what I'll do, I'll show you what we have here. So those are the heads right there. So you got 4 different heads, so central, off center, straight and angled, which is brilliant. So the tool itself, your book which comes in, your hook for belt, and this is the box. So this is the DCD803NT, meaning that it comes without the batteries or charger, so it's body only tool. What I do have, I have some batteries, so I'll put it in a drill. I can obviously turn it on a bit, but we can't make dust, so because this is their display unit, as I mentioned before. So we can have a look. So drill itself, you got 2-speed gearbox, and like your combination drill, you can change settings up to 15 settings, as you can see here. So your hex fits in. It doesn't lock in, but you can fit a hex fitting. So this is speed 1, speed 2, and then obviously you got all the other settings here. What they're trying to do is, this model is give you a option. So these are the 4 bits. So we'll check each of them. So you got your angle bit, as you can see. You got your straight chuck, decentered or off center, and central. So basically the biggest difference really is that you got offset and angled in a compact body, which is very important. So what they're trying to do with this model, they're trying to make it as powerful or near as powerful as possible for the small size. So they are aiming on the trades such as carpenters, electricians, plumbers, cabinet fitters, general DIY, and reason being because what they're trying to do is put everything in one drill essentially. So for instance, if you are a DIYer, you don't need any more than this. And to be fair, they're not that expensive. If you have the DeWalt batteries, this is 18 volt XR platform as well, so that is very handy to know, especially if you have the batteries chargers. So it's not gonna be as expensive for you to actually switch to it, because I think this set starts from £210 in UK roughly. Don't hold me to it, because obviously at the times there could be some deals. We are filming this in early May, so that's at the time of filming, obviously. But yeah, so let's check out. So you got this holder here for your old bits. You also have holes right there, so you could potentially, if you can see here, so if it's your workshop or something, you could put it on a workshop wall like so you can always get to it, so that's handy. So to unlock it, it's easy. You pull it to yourself like so. To put it on, it just clips on. So it's very simple to use. So as you can see, you just push it on, and this is one of the bits. This is central, like an impact driver, if you like. Very easy. So you just pull up and it disengages. And what I do like, that this part feels solid metal, so it should last. So your these off center bit, obviously you can spin it anywhere you like, and by having these teeth here, it will not move, and it gives you plenty of rotation as well, as in whichever way you want it, you can lock it in. I must say, I am considering getting this by myself, because when I do some fits like cabinets, etc., I do find that my normal Makita one can't do some jobs, and it is quite short. It's not the shortest, but it's quite short, bearing in mind that you got this off center, etc. So you also get your drill chuck here. Again, this is the back of the chuck, and it's one motion. That's what I like. It's made so easy. You remember we've looked at the Bosch drill. That impressed me, I must say. And then there's also Milwaukee M12. So that is 12 volt, obviously. So that's slightly different. But so what DeWalt is trying to do, I think, is getting into that 18 volt market by having customers who also have their batteries already. So XR range fits. Obviously power stack batteries will fit. I would say you want a power stack for this drill, because to actually enjoy the lightness of the tool at the time, I think that would be most beneficial. So lastly, angle bit. So this is the bit I needed, and a very good example. I was doing angled understairs cupboards. I had to get to drill hinges in a position, being an angle, so you don't have much space. So yes, you can use the angled 90-degree bits, but they do break, they don't last forever, and also they rotate, so you have to be able to hold it, where this way you put your drill and you don't have to hold, nothing wobbles. So as you can see, it's steady, that head there, so you don't have that rotation, if you like. So that is brilliant. What we're gonna do, we're gonna have a power stack battery. We're gonna put a normal hex bit on for your screwdriver bit, and what we'll do, we will weigh it, and we'll weigh it with small power stack battery, and we'll see what we have there. So it's 1,463 grams. It's 3.225 pounds. So that's quite light. Obviously it's not going to be as light as your 12 volt drill, but I mean it's on par with lightest from the market, especially from 18 volt range, and it does make sense because 18 volt is giving you more power and the batteries last longer, etc. So I can see why they do it. So what we'll do now, I'll put it on a rotating table again, as we usually do, and I'll just give you some stats, because I don't want to get anything wrong, and there's too much to remember, honestly, because it's quite new, so it's new to me as well. But yeah,
the tool here is the DeWalt DCD803NT, an 18-volt XR brushless multi-head drill driver. This is not just another drill. The main point of this tool is the interchangeable head system. Instead of being limited to one fixed chuck, you get 4 different heads: a traditional 13mm chuck, a 1/4 inch hex quick release bit holder, an offset head, and a right angle head. That makes it much more useful for installation work, especially when access is limited. On paper, the specification is quite strong for this type of tool. DeWalt lists the maximum torque at 73 Nm, with a 2-speed gearbox running from 0 to 450 revolutions per minute in first gear and 0 to 1,650 in second gear. It has 15 clutch positions, a brushless motor, reverse function, LED light, and a 13mm keyless metal single-sleeve chuck. The listed drilling capacity is 30mm in wood and 13mm in metal. The body itself is also very compact. DeWalt lists the tool length at 124mm, which is important because the whole idea of this drill is access. With the standard chuck fitted, it behaves like a regular compact drill driver. But when you remove the chuck and use the bit holder directly, or swap to the offset or right angle head, it becomes much better suited to cabinet work, kitchen fitting, furniture assembly, and second fix carpentry. The offset head is useful when you need to drive screws close to an inside edge, where a normal drill body would hit the side of the cabinet or frame. The right angle head is for those awkward positions where you simply cannot get a normal drill into line with the screw. These are the situations where a multi-head drill earns its place. The brushless motor is also a practical advantage. It keeps the tool more efficient, helps with runtime, and allows the body to stay shorter than many older brush designs. DeWalt also uses an all-metal 2-speed transmission, which is a good sign for durability in regular site use. One detail worth pointing out is the light placement. The LED is positioned on the tool foot rather than directly under the chuck. In practice, this usually gives better coverage of the work area and reduces shadow from the chuck or bit, especially when working in cabinets or darker corners. This NT version is supplied in a T-stack heavy-duty box, but the battery nor charger are included. So this is best suited to someone already on the DeWalt 18-volt XR battery platform. If you are buying into DeWalt for the first time, you will need to factor in batteries and a charger separately. In terms of where this tool fits, I would not look at it as a replacement for a heavy-duty combi drill or SDS drill. It is more of a specialist installation drill driver. It is for people who regularly work around cabinets, frames, tight corners, awkward fixings, and places where a normal drill is simply too long or too bulky. The main strengths are clear: compact size, strong torque for the category, 4 useful heads, a proper 18-volt platform, and good flexibility for installation work. The limitation is also clear. If you only drill straight holes in open space, a standard drill driver may be cheaper and simpler. But if you regularly work in tight or awkward areas, this multi-head drill gives you options that a normal drill cannot. Overall, this looks like a very practical addition to the 18-volt XR range. Not necessarily the first drill everyone should buy, but for kitchen fitters, carpenters, installers, and anyone doing cabinet or second fix work, the multi-head design makes a lot of sense.
Right, so my honest thoughts, this drill is not more powerful version of DeWalt combi drills. There is a DCD805 which got 90 Newton meters, but I don't think this is what they're trying to do. They're not trying you to replace their heavy duty range with this all-rounder. shall we say. What they're trying to do, they're trying to get you in a niche. So if you are in fitting, cabinet fitting, kitchens, cupboards, you know, or you're just shop fitter, that sort of stuff, this drill is more about versatility, because you get all these so you got all these attachments. So it's not so much about raw power, but it's enough power to do all the jobs you want to do. And what I did say with this combi drill, what I do like is this metal gearing. I think it's got a potential personally, and as I said, because I do have a combi drill from DeWalt, I might be actually considering myself getting one when the prices come down a little bit, because yeah, I might not need it every day, but when I do cabinets, kitchens, it would definitely come in handy. So tell us what you think. If you have one of these maybe already, tell us how it's been performing, because obviously I cannot tell you that part. I only can tell you what I can see and feel. I haven't used it, but I want to hear your thoughts, guys. Please let me know if you want me to get more tools like this. I know it's not a full-on review, but I can run over things, show you things. I can put batteries in. I'm allowed to do that, but I'm not allowed obviously to use it heavily because it is display unit. So again, I hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I will catch up with you in our next videos.